This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide all of your desktop folders and icons in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. As you can see, I got plenty of icons and folders here on my desktop. If I wanted to hide all of them, it's very easy to do. You just go to an empty place on your desktop screen, right-click. Then you want to go to where it says View, place your cursor over View, and slide straight off to the right. And from here, you can change the size of your folders and icons here. But at the very bottom down here, show desktop icons. As you can see, I have a check mark next to mine. My desktop is showing its folders and icons. I'm going to click on it. Now, as you can see, all of my folders and icons have now been hidden. And to bring them back, all you got to do is the same thing. Right click on an empty area of your desktop. Go down to where it says View. Go straight off to the right and down to where it says Show Desktop Icons. I'm going to click on Show Desktop Icons. And now they are all back. That is how to remove all your desktop folders and icons in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.